Thank you for joining. Alex O Crypto here. Shout out to all you guys. Mad love and respect to all of you guys. We're out here, Otter Gang, Otter King here. You know, we're going through these rough waters. Let's hold hands together. You know what? Time's a ticking, Bitcoin. Time's a ticking. Are we going to drop or are we going to pop? Let's see what's going on. And hey, look at the otter here. We're driving the automobile. And you got to be careful. So let's make sure we listen to Yoda. Let's make sure we're not FOMOing in. The dips you must buy. So let's take a look. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Constantly bringing you levels, constantly bringing you TA on a daily basis. Also working a full-time job. So we're out here. We're trying our best. We're giving you this beautiful TA on a daily basis. So let's look at the charts. We got volume profiles. We got targets. Where are we going to go? If we're going to continue upwards, take these numbers down. Remember, I used to buy Bit Exchange. So if there's a difference between price, you know, these are not exact numbers. These are areas that I'm looking for price to come up to. We can see that we have high volume nodes in all these areas and then a top up here, right? My sentiment right now continues to be bullish until we get a clear rejection. We might have spotted that recently, so we'll get back to that. But as you can see, we're continuing upwards on this beautiful Wu-Tang pattern. You know, it ain't nothing to F with, right? Like this Wu-Tang, man, ain't nothing to mess with, right? So I'm just kidding here, but we got to be careful, right? This is a big U-shape pattern, right? Can we come out and maybe pop off, right? We're currently printing a flag. I'm not a big pattern trader. I'm more of a level-to-level kind of guy. That's what you'll get from me. You'll get the TA, you'll get the sauce all the time because I'm coming in, giving it to you ready, good to go, drinking the tea, eating ice cream, having fun. Don't forget to join in our Discord. Link is down below. We're having fun out there. We're sharing the TA on a constant basis. Currently, I'm in a very nice, profitable long that, you know what? I went to work today. I set my stop loss in profit. And guess what? It rode up. I had a couple of take profits along the way. You know what? I came home and I made an extra couple bucks today. Very nice trade, right? But if we look at this right now, we are ranging above here at the same daily as before. So let's look at what the market's going to tell us, because Monday is a very important day. We're going to have more of an idea. We can see at the mini futures right now that Bitcoin is currently pumped up to this trend line. If we zoom out on this daily here, we have this beautiful trend line that has been continuously holding us down, right? And on Monday, we'll find out if the S&P is going to go up or down, right? We're going to have a better idea, and I'd say by Tuesday or middle of the week, we will have a definite idea of what the market sentiment is and if we are having a reversal or a denial of the markets, right? This week is very important, right? So let's get back to Bitcoin and take a look. So don't forget to take the prices down, right? Take the prices down, trade the levels, be ready, and be prepared. Now, I'm going to get rid of all these lines and stuff because no one likes a messy chart. So we'll get rid of that. Don't forget to use this little object tree down below to organize some of your stuff in order to be more organized and have your charts much more pretty. You can see I have an alarm set for above this range. We did not continue above this, so I was not alerted in order for me to look for a short. As you can see, it's above this range right here. But let's go down to the 1 hour and let's take a look at this range. Okay, with this range, what can I see? I can see two higher highs, right? I can see a double top, right? This is a double top in my opinion, right? So what does that mean? Is this a reversal? Can we continue downwards? Possibly. I did not get in this short here. I was currently working, which is kind of upsetting, but also on the other hand, I am in a long from down here. You know what? And I've taken profits along the way, which has been very nice to me, right? I also had the stop loss up here, practicing good risk management under these lows, right? And this came down and it almost knocked me out, but guess what? We're still in that trade currently. I did not add to it yet because I'm just not sure on what the markets are going to do, right? So for me, we're trading in this range. We'll have more confirmation from the S&P. We'll also have confirmation of the Dixie. Is the Dixie going to continue to dump, pushing Bitcoin price down or Bitcoin price up? Is it going to dump and push Bitcoin price up, or is it going to pump and push Bitcoin price down, right? So it trades the opposite of the Dixie, so we got to be careful, one or the other, right? Vice versa. So keep our eyes on that. be cautious out there. You know, I can see that the Dixie right here is in a falling wedge, right? So we can see the falling wedge right here. Very easy to see that we have this falling wedge here, which is a typical move to the upside, right? So we can pop this up here. Maybe we come up here, right? So let's be very cautious. Let's watch what the other markets tell us, and that will give us more ideas onto what the Bitcoin price is going to do, right? So currently I'm looking to trade this range right here. This is my range, right? Scalping highs and shorting the highs, longing the lows, right? And then taking profits early and letting the price ride, because we don't know when this is going to move. If you're currently not in a trade, look to get in with a tight stop loss at these areas, right? And then you can take some out and then let the rest ride if it decides to have a bigger move to either direction, right? That's what we're looking to do, right? With good risk management and proper attitude and confluences, we can get into these trades, right? Right now, I'd be looking to, well, we've gotten rejected. So you could be looking to add to a short here if you see this fall off. But that's a risky trade in my opinion. Up here would have been a lot nicer, right? So let's look for maybe a long right here, right? Where can a long be? Well, we can pull a fibs from down below at this low to this high. And guess what? Bingo, bango. We would have had our long right there, right? But we can also look at the 786, right? Look for confluence. Look for exhaustion. Look at your RSIs. Look for some sort of indication that we have on our charts. Maybe it's going to bounce off the VWAP. Let's look where the VWAP is. It's way above us. So maybe we can look for a short. So how would I look for a short right now? I would pull from highs to lows. Very simply, highs to lows from here down to here, right? I'm sure if I pull this down, we would have bounced. Oh yeah, look, that bounced, right? That bounced off the golden pocket, that recent one. So if I pull it up here, this is more of a range high accuracy, right? And look, it lines up perfectly with the VWAP. So I look for the VWAP to work its way down to the 0.5, and maybe I look for a trade there. It also matches up with the higher highs over on the left here. So there's very different ways of getting confluence throughout this market. But let's be safe out there and practice good risk management. At the end of the day, it's about preserving your capital and giving yourself enough chance to keep on trading and keep on making profits, right? We're looking to make at least 60% of our trades profitable. You know, we do take some losses along the way, but if we can minimize the capital loss, we can maximize the profits and we can turn into profitable traders. What is the goal here? We want to make that money. So shout out to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Always giving the love, always giving the most I got for all of you guys. Market Cipher right now, let's go through it. We don't have any huge indications on the time frames. If we skip through here, we can see that we're not getting any major signs on this area. Just a couple of red diamond continuations, right? Nothing significant. There's one here on the daily, right? The 2-day. We have this as well. So be careful with the 2-day and the 3-day. I mentioned this in my live stream, is that we have this typical reversal pattern. And every time we've gotten this reversal triangle, we've come down immensely, right? You can see it. We're printing it here. We printed it here. Maybe let's wait and see if we get this blood diamond, right? But right now we're getting a green continuation dot. So that could be bullish news for us as well. So let's be careful. Let's practice good risk management and stay safe out there. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you all. Peace out. Much love. Otter Gang.